Good morning students, how are you? Fine, very good. Now let's start our today's work. Today we will do problems, okay, based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, okay, and division of fractions. Understood? So read here. Question number 1. Cost of a pencil is rupees 4 whole 1/7. Pencil का cost 4 whole 1/7 आपको given है, okay, and cost of a scale का जो cost है वो आपको given है 3 whole 1/7. Understood? So here read the next one statement. Find the total cost of both items. You have to find total, okay. So total cost, आपको total cost बताना है दोनों items का, okay. First one pencil and scale, okay. तो in case of total you have to add what? Addition, okay. So pencil cost and scale cost you have to add, okay. After that your final answer will come. Understood? So here first of all make your statement. Cost of a pencil is equal to rupees 4 whole 1/7 and the cost of a scale is equal to rupees 3 whole 1/7 and total cost, okay. You have to find total, okay. So add, you know how to add? Yes, you know, because you have done addition, multiplication, division, okay, subtraction also you have done. First of all change your mixed into improper fraction, okay. 7 4s are 28 and 1 29, 7 3s are 21 and 1 22. Understood? So now add, okay. So both are so simple. Why? Because both are like fraction. Understood? So you can add directly your numerator, okay. After that you can change your improper fraction into mixed fraction. Understood? So total cost of both the items is rupees 7 whole 2/7. Understood? And here you can cross check also 4 whole 1/7 and here 3 whole 1/7. So your answer should become near about 7 something, okay. So here your answer is coming absolutely correct, 7 whole 2/7, okay. 7 something, okay. 7 whole 2/7. Understood? You know how to change mixed into improper, okay. So first of all divide and then equation you have to write in whole number and remainder you have to write in numerator and then divisor you have to write in denominator. Understood? So 7 7s are 49, 49 and 2 51. So that is absolutely correct, okay. Now read your next one. What problem? Cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 11 whole 2/3, okay. And now read next one. And cost of 1 kg of salt, okay. So salt का cost आपको given है 5 whole 1/5. Find total cost of both things, okay. Again you have to find total, means addition you have to be do, okay. Make statement. Cost of 1 kg sugar and cost of 1 kg salt, total cost, okay. So total cost you have to add, okay, both the fractions. So first of all change 11 3s are 33 and 2 35, 5 5s are 25 and 1 26, okay. Add. So now both are unlike fractions. So for unlike fraction you know LCM first of all, okay. So first of all find the LCM of 3 and 5. What's the LCM? 15. 3 5s are 15. So 5 you have to multiply with 35. Same way 5 3s are 15. So 3 quotient you have to multiply with numerator, okay. So 5, so 3 you have to multiply with 26. Understood? So after multiplication 35 with 5 what answer will come? 175 and 26 and 3 what answer will come? 78, okay. Now you have to add both the numbers 175 and 78. What will be your, okay, answer? 253/15. So now you have to change, okay, your improper fraction into mixed fraction, okay. What answer will come? 16 whole 13/15, okay. If you have any confusion so you can divide in your rough notebook and after that you can check 16 is your quotient or not, okay, and 13 is your remainder or not. You can cross check also, okay. So now read the next one. What problem? Akshay took 6/7 of an hour to paint a picture. तो अक्षय ने एक पिक्चर को पेंट किया और उसने 6/7 जो है ऑलमोस्ट उसने अपना लिया, ठीक है. सो 1 hour का 6/7, ओके. रिया इज अ गर्ल फिनिश्ड हर पेंटिंग. रिया ने भी एक पेंटिंग फिनिश करी, ठीक है, इन 1/3 of an hour. तो रिया ने जो टाइमिंग कंज्यूम किया वो किया 1/3 of an hour, ठीक है. सो 1 hour का 1/3. हाउ मच लॉन्गर टाइम डिड अक्षय टेक. सो बताइए अक्षय ने रिया के कंपैरिजन में कितना ज़्यादा टाइम लिया. अक्षय ने भी पेंट किया और रिया ने भी पेंटिंग, ओके. सो पर अक्षय का टाइमिंग रिया के कंपैरिजन में मोर देन है, ठीक. आपको कंपैरिजन करना आता है, यू नो, ओके. कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 2 fraction, otherwise more than 2 fraction. Okay, so 6/7 is more than 1/3, so you have to, okay, so how much longer, so आपको बताना है कितना टाइम ज़्यादा लिया. So what you will do subtract. Okay, सपोज आपके पास 5 रुपीज़ है, आपके फ्रेंड के पास 4 रुपीज़ है, तो प्रॉब्लम आपसे कह रहा है कि आपके पास जो है कितने ज़्यादा रुपीज़ है. ओके, मोर देन, आपको क्या बताना है, कितना ज़्यादा आपके पास मनी है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल सबट्रैक्ट. ओके, सो नाउ मेक स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टाइम टेकन बाय अक्षय ने कितना टाइम लिया. ओके, पेंट करने में पिक्चर्स को 6/7 ऑफ एन आवर. टाइम टेकन बाय रिया 1/3 मीन्स 1/3 ऑफ एन आवर. ओके, एक्स्ट्रा टाइम टेकन बाय अक्षय ने थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लिया है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल सबट्रैक्ट. ओके, bigger one fraction you have to write in front and less fraction you have to write here. Okay, so what is bigger fraction? Akshay fraction. Okay, so now you are seeing unlike fraction. So first of all find the LCM. So LCM 21. So now divide 7 3s are 21 or 3 6 are, you have to write here. Understood? 3 7s are 21 and 7 you have to multiply with 1. Understood? So 18 minus 7 11/21. Okay, so hence Akshay took 11/21 of an hour longer. So अक्षय ने कितना ज़्यादा टाइमिंग लिया, 11/21 of an hour. Okay, so 1 hour का 11/21 उसने ज़्यादा लिया. ठीक है. Okay, and you can't change that one fraction in mixed fraction. Why? Because that fraction is not improper. That fraction is proper fraction. Why proper? Because a numerator is smaller than denominator. In improper fraction, your numerator always greater than denominator. That's why. Okay, so now read the next one. Price of 1 kg sweet is ₹210. So 1 kg sweet का आपको प्राइस गिवन है. Find price of 2 whole 3/7 kg of sweets. So आपको 2 whole 3/7 kg sweets का आपको प्राइस फाइंड आउट करना है. What you will do multiplication. If you have given one object's price, अगर कोई भी one object से आपको प्राइस गिवन है, you have to find more objects price. What you will do multiplication. Understood? If you are going to market, okay, otherwise you are in nearby shop and you want to purchase more chocolates. Okay, so first of all you will ask to shopkeeper, uncle please tell me what's the price of one chocolate. Okay, so one chocolate price you have to multiply with total number of chocolate which you want. Understood? So here what you will do, multiplication, of course. Bigger one object price is given and more object you have to find. Okay, price of 1 kg sweets is equal to 210. Price of 2 whole 3/7 kg sweets, you have to be multiply. Okay, both the numbers. Okay, so first of all change your mixed in proper form. Okay, so now 7 2s are 14 and 14 and 3 17. Okay, so now a cut. Okay, both the numerator and denominator. So here you are seeing 210 and 7. Okay, both number will cut by which number? 7. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 0 will come. Understood? If you have any confusion, you can divide in your rough notebook. Okay, so here no one denominator, only one. Okay, so here numerator 7 30 and 70. So both number you have to multiply, but answer will come 510. Okay, if you want to put 1 in denominator, so you can put, no problem, but no need to be right, it is not compulsory. Okay, default 1 is here. Okay, so now hence the price of 2 whole 3/7 kg sweets is ₹510. Understood? Now read the last one word problem. In a school monthly fees collection is ₹13,500. स्कूल है, वहाँ मंथली फ़ी का कलेक्शन हमने किया, तो हमारा टोटल जो कलेक्शन आया 13,500. If every student deposit ₹13 whole 1/2, अगर पर स्टूडेंट, ओके, एवरेज स्टूडेंट अगर 13 रुपीज़ 1 whole 1/2 इतना मनी स्कूल में डिपॉजिट करता है, तो फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन द स्कूल. तो बताइए स्कूल में टोटल कितने स्टूडेंट हैं. बट यू विल डू डिवाइड. क्या करेंगे आप? डिवाइड. सपोज यू हैव 100 चॉकलेट. अगर आपके पास 100 चॉकलेट है एंड यू वांट टू गिव 1 चॉकलेट, you want to give not 1 chocolate, you want to give 2 chocolate to 1 student. Okay, so how many student you will distribute 100 chocolates. ठीक है, 100 चॉकलेट आपके पास है और पर स्टूडेंट को आपको 2 क्या देनी है, चॉकलेट्स देनी है। तो आप कितने स्टूडेंट में ये नंबर ऑफ़ चॉकलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, क्या करेंगे आप दोनों को 100 और 2 को डिवाइड कर दीजिए, सिंपल 100 को 2 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, आपका आएगा 50। तो 50 स्टूडेंट को आप ये 100 टॉफीज़ क्या करेंगे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट। अंडरस्टूड? इन केस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, okay, you have to do what, divide. Understood? Here same condition is here. Total you have given 13,500 and one student collection you have given 13 whole 1/2. Okay, what you have to find, you have to find total number of student. Okay, how many student you have to find. So what you will do, you will divide which number, bigger number. What is your bigger number? 13,500 is your bigger number and divided by which number, 13 whole 1/2. Understood? So divide. You know how to divide? Very good. First of all, change your divide sign in multiplication sign, and the right side of fraction you have to write in reciprocal form. Understood? So now cut 27 and 135 0 me 30,500. Okay, so I am dividing here by 9. 9 3s are 27 and 9 1s are 9 and what is remaining, 4 and 4 5 45, 9 5s are 45, 0 0 you have to put here. Okay, so 1500 is here and 3 is here. So now 1500 and 3, okay, again cut by which number, 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15 and 0 0, so 0 0 you have to put here. So no one number in denominator except 1. So now you have to multiply your numerator. Okay, 500 and 2, so both number you have to multiply, but answer will come 1000. Okay, so total number of